It seems to me that the big picture should not go unnoticed. Do you recall a year or two ago when inflation was raging? I think its peak was about 9%. Many economists and other experts, based in part on history, said that you were going to have to provoke high unemployment and put our country into recession in order to get inflation down. Do you recall that?
Very, very well.
Are we in a recession?
We are not.
Would you, as an American, trade places right now with Germany in terms of the economy?
No, I sure wouldn't.
How about China?
No, wouldn't trade places.
How about France?
No, thanks.
Things aren't perfect. Inflation's obviously still sticky, and long rates are too high, which I want to talk about in a second. But the fact is, knock on wood, we have experienced a soft landing, haven't we?
Not for me to say, really. I'll let others.
Well, have
make
we
that
experienced a hard landing?
No, we sure haven't.
Are we in a recession?
No, we're not.
I call that a soft landing. And it seems to me that you and some of the ladies and gentlemen who are your colleagues at the Federal Reserve behind you deserve some credit for that.
Thank you.
I don't know why you don't take the credit. Everybody else in Washington, D.C. does. Again, I'm not saying things are perfect, but I never imagined that our landing could be this soft, albeit not perfect. And I wanted to thank you and your colleagues for that effort. You sure didn't get any help from Congress and our president on the fiscal side. I don't expect you to comment on that. You and the Federal Reserve can to a large extent control short rates, can't you?
Yes.
Through the Open Market Committee. You can't control long rates, though, can you?
No, we can't.
Why is that?
So a lot of things go into long rates, and one of them is the expected future short rate of Fed policy, but many, many other things go in. Expectations of inflation in the longer run, the sort of risks around the economy and around the budget deficit go into something called the term premium, which is the part we can't explain when we do these decompositions. And so, it's set by supply and demand in the bond market at the long end, and we're not particularly. We have some influence, but mostly not.